Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. How are you? Have you completed your homework? I think so. Yes, let us start here today a new topic. Okay? Are you okay? Are you energetic? Please sit very with very full energy. Otherwise, if you are lazy, if you are watching this video with the compulsion of your parents, then it will not be useful. So please get ready to accept anything discussed in our class. Okay? Yes. Previous classes we have discussed about forming the numbers or how to find out the larger number and smaller number. We have studied three rules. 1, we have to count the digits used in numbers. The number having more digits is always larger number. Next one, if the number of digits are same, if the number of digits is same, then you just look the left digit which is larger. Then next place. These are the 3 rules to find out larger number and smaller number. Okay? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order. Okay? Ascending order and descending order. First, let us start from ascending order. You have studied in 5th class, I think so. What is ascending order? Yes. Arrange the numbers starting from smallest number to largest number. This is the ascending order. An example. There are one more number. Yes, these are 3 numbers. How we can write these numbers in ascending order? Then we have to take the smallest number first. Smallest number first. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 100 is smallest. Smaller than this and smaller than this number. So first we take this 100, then we take these 2 number, which is smaller. Yes, this only 3 digits, this 4 digits, then this is smaller. So we write here, then we write this number here. So this is the ascending order of these numbers. Ascending order of these numbers. So I think you got what is ascending order. Yes. If there are more than 5 numbers to write the ascending order, then what will do? Then what is the simple way to find out the ascending order? Yes, there are 3 steps in your textbook. Please take your textbook. You can see in your 6th page, page number 6. Yes, there is a question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Which are the numbers? Listen here. Yes. Arrange the following numbers. Which are the following? These are the numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange in ascending order. How can we find out or arrange these numbers in ascending order? There are 3 steps. Step 1. The number with the least number of digits is written at top first. Top first. Let us arrange the given numbers in the place value table. We have to use here the place value table. Which is the place value table? We have studied the place value table. Are you okay? Place value table. Yes. Place value table. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. This is the place values table. Are you okay? This is the place value table. You have to write this place value table and take first step. The number with the least number of digits is written at the top first. At the top first you have to write the least digit number. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So we have to take first step is the number with the least number of digits is written at the top. At the top. Top means here. The place values table. First at the top we have to write the at least digits. Which is the least digits? Here this is the least digits because there are only 4 digits. Others number 4, 5, here 5 digits and here 6 digits. So you have to take at first this number because this number contains only 4 digits. Okay, please listen here. Then first we take this number. We have to write this 2. Where will be right here? Yes, the place of ones. So we write here ones. Then 9 here at the place of 10, and 5 here at the place of 100, and 6 here at the place of 1000. Okay. Next one. Next step. Second step you can see there. If there are two numbers with the same number of digits, compare them. The smaller number comes before the other. Okay. Next number, which digits? 5. Here 5 digits, here 5 digits. Here 6 digits, here 6 digits. So we can take this 5 digits because this is the larger number, larger than this, because this it contains 6 digits. Okay, are you okay? So we take these 2 digits, which is the smaller. Next we have to write here the smaller. Which is the smaller here? Yes, we take the left digits, at least left digits. Here at least left digits is 2, here 3. Then this is the smaller. This is the smaller than this number. Okay. So we have to take this number. Then we write this 7 in the place of ones. 0, 5, 5, 2. Okay. Yes. Then next we have written in the table this number have written, and this number. Then we know there are 3 numbers to write in our table. There are 3 numbers to write in our table. Then which is the smaller? Yes, this, because this is only 5 digits. So we take this 6 at the ones place, 5 tens place, this 7 hundreds place, this 6 thousands place, this 3 10,000s place. Okay. Next we have to. Yes, next what we will do? We have to take the step 3. The number with the largest number of digits is largest. The number with the largest number of digits is largest. So these numbers are same digits. So we have to take at least number, at least left number. So here 1, here 2. Then this is the smaller. So we write this number below this number. So 3 at the place of ones, 9, 4, 2, this 3, 1 at the place of lakh. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then this is the largest number. So we write at the below 0, 9, 6, 5, 2, 2. Yes. This is the place value table. If you are asked to write or arrange the numbers, given numbers in the ascending order, you have to write, you have to draw the place value table, and you have to write smallest number at top, then next smallest, then next smallest, then next smallest, then the largest. Okay? Do you understand? Then this is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. Did you got it? Then ascending order, let us write here. First we write, take this row, we have to write here. Then we take this. Then we take this. Then we take this. Then this is the largest. Yes. Okay. This is the ascending order of these numbers. Question is to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Then the answer is very simple. You have to draw the place values table and right at top the smallest, then next smallest, then at last the largest. So then you have to write it out of the table. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest, starting from smallest to largest. Are you okay? This is very simple. Then what is descending order? Then next we have to study the descending order, the opposite of ascending. Please listen here. If you are familiar with ascending order, then descending order is very simple. Ascending order and a descending order. Okay, it is very simple. Descending order means we have to write at first the largest, then next largest and last smallest. You can write like this in table, but you have to first write here the largest. This number will come here. This number will come here at last. That is the descending order. First we have to write the largest number, then we have to learn next largest, at last the smallest number. This is the descending order. Okay? Ascending order and descending order is very simple. If you are familiar to find out the smallest and largest number, if you have studied the rules of finding smallest and largest and the steps of finding this ascending and descending order, then it is very simple. Please listen this video carefully and repeating. You have to repeat the watching of this video, then it will be very simple. Okay? Yes. Please look this table. If there are any doubt, you can ask. Yes. Then if you are asked to write the descending order of these numbers, then you have to write first this number, next this number, next this, next this, at last this number. Okay, this is the descending order of these numbers. Okay, I think you have understood, you have got these points. Okay. Yes, you have to take page number 7, exercise 1.2. There is the question number 1. There is question number 1. Here also 1. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 questions to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. Second question also. Second question. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. You have to write in your notebook very carefully. Okay. You have to take this very, very serious. Okay. Then it is very tasty one. Mathematics is very tasty one if you are ready to spend some time. Okay. Let us see again in next class. Wish you all the best. If you have any doubt, you don't mind to ask. You have to ask. It is very, very necessary one. It is indeed needed. Otherwise, if you don't ask, if you lazy to ask, then it will affect your mathematics. It will affect you in your examination. Okay. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.